Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel, Cooking with me, chefqe. Today we're making some yummy cheesesteaks, y'all. I'll be using my new kitchen toy. It is a flat top grill that my boyfriend got me from Still Made. You slap that baby right on the stove, y'all. Turn them eyes on and get to work, okay? I love this thing. Before we get into it, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone you know, and let's cook. Alright guys, so this recipe is super quick and easy, so I want to start by prepping my peppers. So I have a green, yellow, and red bell pepper. You can use just green if you want, but y'all know I love a little color, so I just use all three. I'm just going to thinly slice those up, and then I'm going to slice up a half an onion as well. Alright guys, so now that our veggies are sliced up, we're ready to saute. So to my grill, I'm going to add on some vegetable oil. I'm going to season them generously with some all-purpose seasoning. And then we're going to allow them to saute over a medium heat until they're nice and tender. Alright guys, so while our onions and peppers are going, we're going to slide them right onto the side and work on our meat. So I have some beef shaved steak here. Now if you want to slice the ribeye yourself, you certainly can, but I just saved myself the hassle. To the grill, I'm going to add the meat right on, and then you'll see me add on some more vegetable oil just to make sure it doesn't stick. And then I'm going to season it generously with some more AP seasoning, and then I'm just going to allow it to cook. Now halfway through, you'll see me just flipping it and just kind of breaking it down with the spatula just so it's in bite-sized pieces. There's your burger. Alright guys, so while our meat is cooking, it's almost done. We're going to add on some sliced mushrooms to our grill. This is optional, but it would be right if I did, okay? So I'm going to add on some more oil, slap those sliced mushrooms right on, season them generously, of course, with some more seasoning, and we're just going to allow them to saute until they're nice and tender as well. You'll just see me alternating back and forth from just moving the meat around, moving the onions and peppers around along with the mushrooms until everything is done. Alright guys, so now that our meat is done cooking and our veggies are tender, we're going to top the meat with some sliced provolone cheese. We're going to stir it around a bit just to get it nice and melted, and then of course we're going to add on more cheese. Alright guys, now the majority of our cheese is melted, we're going to work on our bread. So I have some white sub rolls here, or hoagie rolls. I'm going to take my bread knife and just kind of butterfly them open. And then we're going to add more oil and then slap these rolls right on, just allow it to get nice and toasted. In the meantime, I'm going to add on some more cheese. So I have some cheese whiz here. I'm just going to take a couple spoonfuls and just plop them right on top of that meat. And then we're going to stir it around until it's nice and melted. Alright guys, so now that our cheese is nice and melted, we're ready to assemble our cheesesteak. So I'm going to take a good spoonful of the sauteed veggies, flop that right on top of that meat. Then I'm going to take my toasted bun and flop that on top as well. Then using my spatula, I'm just going to use that as a guide to just help me scoop all that yummy goodness right into that roll. Alright guys, that's it. We are done. As you can see, the second one, y'all, I loaded that baby right on up, okay? That one was mine, and it was delicious. Serve these cheesesteaks right on up with some fries, and you will not be disappointed. Thank y'all so much for watching and coming to cook with me. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below what you think of this recipe. Follow me on all my social medias, and I will see y'all in the next video.